The process for bringing a claim for exposure to toxic water at Camp Lejeune is a bit complicated. It's a two-step process. The government has allowed itself to be sued, but first you have to file an administrative claim. This is not unusual when suing the government. Even when, for instance, the postal driver rear-ends somebody on the highway when delivering the mail, you have to file an administrative claim with the government, and the government has 6 months to react to it or not. After that time period runs is when you're then allowed to file a federal lawsuit. But even at the administrative claim level, there are a lot of traps that you have to be careful about. These aren't complicated for Rudder Mills or for me, because for decades, we have handled claims against the government in many different areas, and they almost always require one of these types of administrative claims. But to show you some of the hurdles and difficulties that people may not understand, for instance, the claim form asks you what amount you are claiming. If you put down unknown or leave that blank, the government will assign your claim a 0. And whatever you claim at that initial claims form level is the limit of what you can ever get. If you put in $1,000 just as a placeholder, you may never get more than $1,000. There are many more issues with filing your claim to make sure it's what they call perfected, so that you will be able to bring a lawsuit and not get dismissed. Once we have filed an administrative claim for our clients and it's perfected and accepted, then we wait 6 months. After that time period runs, we're then allowed to file the federal lawsuit on behalf of our clients. All of the administrative claims in the country have to be filed at the Navy JAG office here in Norfolk on Maryland Avenue. We know them well and have dealt with them many times in the past. They are currently setting up a brand new system that Microsoft is designing for them to be able to handle what they feel is going to be a tremendous influx of claims. The lawsuits themselves will be filed in the Eastern District of North Carolina federal court, where Camp Lejeune is located. I'm licensed in Eastern District of North Carolina and have been a North Carolina practicing attorney for over 25 years. Their federal court system is a lot like most of them around the country. And while they have several judges, this influx of claims is likely to overwhelm their system also. And so the process of filing and working these claims is likely to take some time.